Jesse Singh, CEO of the Azek Company, joins us now in a first on CNBC interview. So, Jesse, if you do a lot of the building materials, right, for homes like wood and supply, what does it say about the housing market? Because there's a lot of doom and gloom, and yet you continue to grow in this environment.
Yeah, we, just as a reminder, we take recycled material, create things like composite decking, and through our TimberTech brand, and trim through our Azek brand. I think the key here is we focus on consumers that are living in their houses, not transacting. And so what you see is a really strong focus on the house. It's continued over the last decade, and especially around our outdoor spaces. And consumers are continuing to invest in improving their homes. And I think the key here also is that the demographic that we are serving, they own their own homes, they've got home equity, and they also have stock appreciation and employment.
Is it because they're not buying new homes because mortgage rates are so high that they're reinvesting in their own homes, which is benefiting you? Is that the cycle we're in?
Well, it's certainly part of it. I think in general, you have to put things in perspective. You know, for our types of homes, there's 60 to 70 million existing homes with decks on them and other types of exterior materials. You know, if you think about a transactional model of annual sales on new construction, that's only about 1 million. And so you've always had this tendency for people to invest in their homes outside of transactions. Certainly as people stay in their homes longer, it gives our TimberTech and Azek brands an opportunity to continue to service them. We're able to provide people additional outdoor square footage at a much lower cost than either new construction or an indoor enclosed remodel.
It's just interesting because some of the guidance and commentary we've had lately from Home Depot and Lowe's has been softness in the do-it-yourself portion. So is it not correlated with that?
Yeah, I think the most important thing is if you parse out what the other folks have said, what they have said is the pro continues to be strong, and that remodeling sector that is serviced by a pro continues to be strong. And we're certainly in that sector, which is where the vast majority of our business is. So people continue to go out, they continue to engage contractors, and they continue to do the work on their homes. And I think that segment has shown resiliency over a long period of time. And, you know, right now our guide for next year conservatively is 5 percentage points growth at the midpoint. And we think there's opportunity to do better than that as we move into next year.
Hey, Jesse, there's a lot of work being done right now, looking ahead a few years to what is going to be a pretty big generational transfer of wealth within housing as the boomers retire, they downsize, they sell, or pass on their homes to their kids. I wonder what you think that does to the do-it-yourself remodeling dynamic.
Well, I think longer term, we're in an absolute terrific market segment, not only DIY, repair and remodeling, ours more specifically. And it gets at the trends you're talking about, right? There's a shortage of homes. There's an existing generation with millennials that need to move in, and there's wealth transfer. And the stock of homes right now is 40 years plus. So if you add all that up, there is meaningful pent-up demand that needs to be serviced. We'll work our way through whatever economic uncertainty is there. But the long-term thesis for the market is terrific. And for us, we're replacing wood. The vast majority of what we're doing is selling and upgrading wood types of applications on the outside of homes.